Rivers lawmakers, those ones the way they be comot and say they no follow for that impeachment plan. Now they don't do U-turn and they don't talk. Say they are going back now to support the impeachment plan against Governor Gov Fubara, and they say they will go ahead with the process. The lawmakers, now the minority leader Sylvanus Nwankwo, Peter Abe of the Gema constituency, Barile Nwako of Kana constituency 1, and Emilia Amadi of Obiakpo constituency 2. They announced their decision to join back for the impeachment plan on Friday for live broadcast from the front of River State House of Assembly building. And this now some days after they begin the call for sit down together to dialogue and find a political way to settle the wahala inside the River State. Now, when he can explain this revise, Nadia Nwankwo can say you can remember on January 12, 2026, me and Abe been beg our other fellow lawmaker then say please find a political way to solve the trouble between the assembly and the government.